to find vibration settings on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to settings, then over here scroll down to sound and vibration, and now we can scroll down a little bit again in order to find first vibration options. For example, we have vibrate for calls. We can tap on the switcher to turn on or off vibrations when there is an incoming call. We can also turn on and off the vibration, or vibrations actually, in the silent mode. So if you don't want your phone to have vibrations when you have silent mode enabled, then of course you can manage this over here. Then we have haptic feedback, which is pretty much the same as the touch vibrations. So whenever there is an interaction and there are vibrations when you touch the screen or touch an option or something, then the haptic feedback provides these vibrations. So you can turn them on or off over here, or you can adjust the level of that feedback by moving on the slider left and right. And besides that, I think that should be it. So in sound effects, there is nothing here. And in additional settings, there is nothing here as well. So these are all available vibration settings on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!